This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending April 5th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 5.5% on Friday and was down minus 7.86% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 5.97% on Friday and was down minus 9.08% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 5.82% on Friday and was down minus 10.02% for the week. Wow, that was devastating to most people, but that doesn't matter to me because I get cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what the market does. I get cash flow from Bitcoin even though Bitcoin was only up 0.09% this week. I still get cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what it does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Rumble Incorporated, ticker symbol RUM in the second column. It was down minus 1.69% on Friday, but increased 4.42% for the week. Rumble Incorporated is an internet content and information company that operates video sharing platforms in the United States, Canada, as well as internationally. Their Rumble.com website is a free to use video sharing and live streaming platform that allows users to subscribe to channels to stay in touch with creators. And users have access to video on demand and live content streamed by creators. Rumble's Locals.com platform allows users to access free content and purchase subscriptions to support creators and access exclusive content in creator communities. The company has a live streaming and monetization service for creators called Rumble Streaming Marketplace. And their Rumble Advertising Center is an online advertising management exchange service. Rumble also became a Bitcoin treasury company. That is, it buys and holds Bitcoin as a treasury asset. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 6 different option contracts that range from $65.34 to $140.34. I received a total of $615.04 for the 6 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I am sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $615.04 this week? Well, I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week, the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. This is last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 0.46%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Though there are many ways to use options, I employ one of the easiest ways, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, very easy, but most people will never learn how because they refuse to read books. Books that you can get from the library for free or buy cheaply online. However, there is something to understand about books. Most books are designed to inform you generally, not specifically. They aim to change your mindset. However, there are a few how to books. Some how to books are more detailed than others. It is up to you to understand and know the differences. I am not offering to show you exactly how I use options. It should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options, I sell options, and I get money from the options I sell. That is why cash flow is guaranteed. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing cost. I don't have to search for or find buyers. If you understand the US financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. There is no customer acquisition cost. The only cost that I incur is a commission, and you see the commission I pay is 60 cents for each sale. The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof of getting guaranteed income. I would hope that you are motivated to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with a trusted, knowledgeable person, and see what they say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then that's the wrong person to talk to. In the meanwhile, check back each week to see how much cash flow or income I generate and to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. Want to bet? Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.